Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to embed a OneDrive PDF directly into your documents. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and the embedding features we'll be using in this tutorial. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes and OneDrive loads your dashboard. This usually takes just a few seconds, but depending on your internet connection, it might take a bit longer. Once everything has loaded, you'll see your main OneDrive interface with all your files and folders. Now let's get into the actual embedding process. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Click on My Files to access all the content you've stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. This section contains everything from documents and images to PDFs and other file types you've uploaded over time. From here, browse through your files and locate the specific PDF document that you want to embed. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. You'll notice that when you select the file, a three-dot icon appears next to it. This icon represents additional options and actions you can take with that file. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a context menu with various options. In the menu that appears, look for and click on the option labeled Embed. This is the key feature that allows you to generate an embeddable version of your PDF. After clicking Embed, a new window will pop up on your screen. At this point, you'll need to wait briefly while OneDrive processes your request and generates the embed code. This code is what allows your PDF to be displayed on other websites or documents that support HTML. Once the embed code has been generated and appears in the window, you'll see a button that says Copy Embed Code. Click this button to copy the entire code to your clipboard. Now all you need to do is navigate to the document or web page where you want your PDF to appear. Make sure this destination supports HTML code. Simply paste the code you just copied into the appropriate section. After pasting, your PDF will appear as an embedded image within your document, allowing viewers to interact with it directly without leaving the page. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your OneDrive PDF into any document that accepts HTML code. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.